Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Arlo battery not charging, easy steps to troubleshoot Arlo camera battery issues. Fix 1. Check the charger. Unplug the charger and check the cable for any damage. Then plug it into a different wall outlet and try charging the battery again. Fix 2. Clean the charging contacts. Remove the battery from the camera and wipe the metal charging contacts with a soft, dry cloth. Now put the battery back in and connect the charger and check if it charges. Fix 3. Move the battery to room temperature. Break the camera or battery indoors and then wait for about 30 minutes. Now connect the charger again and check if charging starts. Fix 4. Restart the camera. Remove the battery and wait for 30 seconds. Then insert the battery again and connect the charger and check the battery status. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.